Have you ever wondered why can virus kill people? Viruses are microorganisms. They are very small, much smaller than bacteria and 100 times smaller than human cells. Viruses are so small that they can't even be seen with an ordinary microscope. They can infect everything from human, animals to plants and bacteria. To simply describe what a virus is, they are merely a tiny packet of DNA or RNA genes that's enfolded in a protein coating. Sometimes they are surrounded by a membrane called the envelope, which they have stolen from the host cells so that it is harder to be identified and allows them to pretend to be a host cell. Viruses aren't living. In fact, they are in between an organism and a chemical. So you say they're not living, then how do they cause illness? They are actually parasites. They lack the ability to replicate on their own, so they hunt and infect the cell and tries to take over its host completely. A virus lodged in a cell replicates and reproduces as much as possible. With each replication, the host cell produces more viral material than it does normal genetic material. Left unchecked, the virus will cause the death of the host cell, and the virus will also spread to nearby cells and begin the process again. Viruses can infect every living thing. Infection can happen several ways, but the most common is through air transmission, such as coughing and sneezing. So remember to cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze.